What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. And Dad, what are we cooking today?
We're cooking kebab today.
Perfect. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using to cook kebab today. This is 2 pounds of minced turkey. You can use either minced beef or minced chicken. We are going to now start seasoning our meat as follows. 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried mint. Okay, so I'm going to blend it and mix it with the meat properly. I have to knead it proper so all the spices are blended properly and it's spreaded in the whole meat. Usually you get some kind of juice in the meat, so with this breadcrumbs and all these dry spices, it becomes just perfect to mold it and cook it. Do it for 2-3 minutes so all the spices are blended properly. Now this looks like it's pretty well done. Now I'm going to mold them into kebabs. Now I'm going to start molding kebabs in round shape and would be about 2 inches in diameter. I'll show you one now. So now we have molded kebabs about 2-inch diameter. We got about 15 kebabs in 2 pounds. Now we are going to fry the kebabs. Now I am heating up the oil on medium-high temperature. Oil is now ready and hot to cook kebab. I'm going to start putting kebab in and we'll cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes each batch. I'm putting 7 kebabs in this, and the next batch I'll put the balance of 8 kebabs. And here I have to keep on moving the kebab. If the kebabs stay at the bottom, they burn. So I keep on moving them. For about 3 minutes or so I'll keep it on this temperature. After that, balance of the meat will be cooked at a little lower temperature, like on half. Because this is sealing the kebab outside. With low heat it will cook the kebab inside. So now the kebabs are cooking for about 3 minutes on high heat. Now I'm going to reduce the temperature to half. Looks like it will be done in about 6 minutes. Now it's approximately 6 minutes and the kebabs seem to be ready. I'm going to take them out and put another batch later. We have done 2 batches of kebab. This is how they look. Now we are going to plate them. Okay, so first I'll put kebabs in a plate. I'll cut red peppers, slices. And decoration. I have here 2 kebabs for taste test, and I'm going to open up one and show you. That's how it looks, and let us see how it tastes. Good. It's good?
Yeah.
Good. This is our final product, tasty kebabs. Until next time.